Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Today is the final day of Sri Lanka. Today is day 3 and I'm eating breakfast right now, only bread and butter. I ain't gonna bore you with all of that stuff, only bread and butter. We are gonna go to, what is it called? The Bentota beach. So, let me show you the car that we are renting. Okay guys, the car is too big, we need a car tour. We got a big screen with 360 cameras there and a speedometer.
Denza.
It's a Denza car with like a million speakers, I guess.
Check out the
seats. Yeah, check out the
still here.
Oh, up a wireless charger.
Wireless charging. I have to remove the. Okay.
What's that?
Huh?
Check it out. Charging. Oh yeah. And we got seats with massage, everything. So we are leaving now. It has a fridge, everything. So let's go. We got tissues. Now let's show you the screen now. And then we go back to the main area. So this is the seat. Adjust. You can adjust the leg area. I will later. Massage. And then that. Ventilation. And keeping it on. AC. Let me keep it on. High. Yeah, 30 is enough for me. So, look at this. It's a dining table. It's a table.
BYD.
Yeah.
Look at that. Look at that. Speaker. Okay. Actually, put it in. Okay, guys. Actually, fire. Look outside. It's electric. Mama. பார்த்துட்டு தான் இருக்கேன். மாட்டிட்டாரு. Okay guys, the car was actually fire. Now we stopped at a food court to eat anything like drink tea or coffee or anything really. So there's a KFC and a Pizza Hut that I know of. Okay guys, now we are at a KFC and I got a chicken zinger burger. Okay guys, so this is our burger. A zinger burger. This is a zinger burger. So guys, my dad randomly bought us some ice cream. I and my brother got vanilla. So let's taste this too. Time lapse. No, not time lapse. Let's taste it. Okay guys, now we just left that food court. Now we are on the way to Bentota. We will reach there in like 25 to 20 minutes. And if you wonder, this car's price, it is 70 million Sri Lankan rupees, and in Indian rupees it is 2.5 crores kind of. Yeah, so we are gonna arrive in Bentota around 25 minutes or 20 minutes. So see you there. Okay guys, so we are at Amal Beach Hotel Restaurant and Bar. So we are gonna eat lunch at whatever this place is called. And if you wondered what the car looks like, this is it. It got the branding card and it's BYD. BYD is a luxury brand, I guess. So we are gonna eat now. So
And a fish.
Seafood like yesterday. Red fish, parafish, coral fish, crabs, everything. So we are in a turtle rescuing sanctuary. I believe this is tiny cat. Oh my god. This is tiny cat. Hi. Oh, cute baby cat. Cutie. Yeah. Oh my god. Yo. Okay guys, this is the entrance. The cat following us inside.
Madam sir, look at this picture. These are different varieties turtle in the sea. Normally world living in the sea 7 varieties turtle, madam. These are our ocean 5 difference. We have now here 4 difference and especially white turtle, albino. These are biggest type leatherback. This one live in deep sea, very big. No chance here. We saw only one time. Naturally, leatherback saw beach 25-30 years ago. 1 meter long, maybe 500 cage. Naturally, madam, big turtle, this is Indian Ocean. Naturally, big turtle, leatherback, night time, beach side. This long area, people, fishermen, night time walk, other skeleton. We pay money, other we buy. After looking inside what famous naturally leatherback. This area big problem. Fishing area, many animals. Dog, cat, moose, outside. Normally, one mother laid eggs, madam. 120, 150, many eggs. Fingers.
Apa எனக்கு தாங்க
Photo.
நான் தூக்கலாமா
Before here, 3 varieties. Now here only 1 variety.
They showed us some albino turtles and told me to hold some big and baby turtles. So it was fire. I'm just lying down on the car. So we are going to a water sport area in the backwaters of the beach. So we are gonna do jet skis, boating, helicopter rides, and much more. I don't know about helicopter ride one. So first we are gonna go on the jet ski. So transition me on the jet ski. Okay, now we are at the area. So look at the backwater, guys. So like space. No, I mean like English land. So like so big. So there's also a restaurant here, I believe. Okay guys, as you can see, I'm going on the jet ski and sorry if you can see nothing, but I'm voice overing this because I had no words while I was riding this. He swerved and swerved at like max speed. Went at like 30 kilometers per hour or at least more. Look over there. Look how much bro is swerving. I almost fell down like a million times. Sorry if you can see nothing. I did not wear the cap mount on my camera because I did not wear the cap mount on my camera. If the cap falls, I am cooked. So, I wore the necklace thing and they told me to wear a life jacket even though I can swim. So, I did. So, you can see nothing. So, enjoy me scream. That shit was fire. I got no words to say now. Oh my. How the hell did he swerve like that? Okay guys, if you remember this place from like 5 or 4 minutes ago, it's the same hotel that we went to eat lunch. Now it's 5:13 or it's 5 o'clock. So we might be in the beach for 1.5 hours or 1 hour. So we are gonna bath in the beach for 1 hour. So I think my mother will record this part because the beach is too risky. My camera's like this small, it's the size of my thumb, so it might get demolished. So okay guys, this cool mechanism, if you slide, it will automatically close the door. And also over here on the screen there is a light thing, ambient light, colorful spectra, look up, red, blue, every color, sing to music, distinctive tone. Let me do mode off. Yeah, it turns to this orange, so I'm gonna keep it at this light blue. No, this. Yeah, this blue. Which one do you want? Red. Red. That's not red. Oh, this is orange. Red, orange. So it fits the interior of the car, which is actually very nice. So let's do a little night car tour. So let's go. So front seat with ventilation, a charger wire, window down and window up area, all the driver controls, and the speakers are DV and audio, and a big touch screen. What is it called? I forgot the car company's name, but everything you need at the front. Sunroof, another sunroof, more speakers, and automatic doors, handles. So we came back to City of Dreams. Cinema Life in City of Dreams. We are gonna go eat, and I'm gonna end this video right here. So tomorrow we are going back to India. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you like and subscribe. See you all in the next one. Peace.